Arochaka. Second part. In first part of Arochaka, we have seen Nirukti, certain common terms which will be related to Arochaka and their general description, Nidana and Samprapti of Arochaka. In this part, we will discuss types of Arochaka and the lakshanas of each type of Arochaka. According to Charaka and Sushruta, there are 5 types of Arochaka. Apart from these 5 types, Sushruta has been mentioned other types also. So in forthcoming slides, we will see what are all the clinical features or lakshanas of these types of Arochaka. So according to Charaka and Sushruta, there are mainly Vataja Arochaka, Pittaja Arochaka, Kabaja Arochaka, Sannipadaja Arochaka, and Bhaktopakataja Arochaka. Upcoming slides, we will see in detail about these types. First one, Vataja Arochaka. Features of Vataja Arochaka. It has been given by Sushruta and Charaka by both. According to Sushruta Uttaratantra, the features are Hruschula Peda, Virasa Ananatvam. Hruschula Peda, pain over the cardiac region or pain in the heart. Virasa Ananatvam, feeling of bad taste or any kind of feeling of distaste in the mouth. According to Charaka, features are Paridrishtadandaha Kashaya Vakta. Paridrishtadanta, sensitive teeth or feeling of sensitiveness over the teeth region and feeling of astringent taste in the mouth. These are all the features according to Charaka in Vataja Arochaka. Next type, Pittaja Arochaka. Lakshana of Pittaja Arochaka according to Sushruta, Hriddaha Josha, burning sensation over the body along with the Josha, sucking type of pain over the heart region. Mukhatiktada, feeling of bitter taste over the mouth. Murcha, fainting. Third, excessive thirst. According to Charaka, Katvamala Mushnam, feeling of pungent and sour taste over the buccal cavity and over the mouth. Hotness will be feeling of hotness. Virasam, bad taste feeling in the buccal cavity. Pudi Vidyat Lavanamcha Vaktram, feeling of fetid and saline taste or feeling over the mouth or in the buccal cavity. These are all the features according to Charaka Chikitsa Sthana for Pittaja Arochaka. Kabaja Arochaka, according to Sushruta, Kandu, itching over the body, Gurutva, heaviness, Kaba Samstrava, or exudation from the mouth or excessive salivation, Sada, debility over body, Tandra, feeling of stupor, Madhura Masya, in the mouth, feeling of sweetishness, sweet taste will be there. According to Charaka, features are Madhurya, over the mouth, sweetishness taste will be there. Paichilya, more stickiness or sliminess over the buccal cavity. Gurutva, heaviness over body. Shaitya, coldishness. Vibadha, Sambandha, Yudam, obstruction and certain kind of stickiness, feeling of stickiness over the mouth region or the buccal cavity. It will be feeling like more sticky and obstructed also. These are the features according to Charaka for Kabaja Arochaka. Sannipadaja type of Arochaka. Both Sushruta and Charaka references are there. According to Susruta, reference says Sarvatmake Pavana Pitta Kaba Bahuni Rupanyadasya Hridaye Samudirayanti. According to Charaka, Tridoshaje na Egarasam Havetu, which means in Sannipadacha type of Arajaka or in Sannipadacha condition, involvement of Tridosha will be there. All the Tridoshas, that is, involvement of Vada, Pitta, Kapha dosha will be there, and because of this condition, mixed type of features, or as it is a combination of Tridosha, we can see mixed type of features according to each type of dosha. There will be features representing Kapha dosha, Pitta dosha, Vada dosha. With respect to this combination, there will be a combination, there will be a mixture of lakshanas present there in condition of Sannipadaja Arojaga, along with the difficult or certain kind of discomfort over the heart region also. Tadoshaje na egarasam bhavetu. Different type of taste the patient can feel in his mouth. That is feature of Tridosha type or Sannipadaja type of Arojaga. There will not be a single taste feeling, there will be a mixture of different kind of taste along with difficulty over or certain kind of discomfort over the heart region. The next variety which has been given by Susruta, that is Manopikadaja Arojaga. Sloka says Samraga Shoga Bhaya Vipluda Chedasastu Chindakrudo Bhavadi So Ashuji Darshanat. Certain kind of causative factors or certain kind of feelings which will be pertain to our mind will be causing for manifestation of this kind of arojaka. The feelings which are attributed to manas will be responsible for onset of this kind of arojaka, like lust, grief, fear, greed, worry, anger, certain kind of things which are dirty in nature. Whenever witnessing or whenever seeing these kind of dirty things, some disgusting type of food and disgusting type of smell, these kind of things will be responsible for manifestation of these kind of arojaka. So a person with his mind is already full of these kind of gunas, or there will be affliction of manas because of these kind of manasika factors, along with witnessing or seeing with these kind of disgusting things or disgusting visuals or disgusting smell. Their senses will be getting altered, their senses will be getting disturbed, so that will be causing manifestation of this kind of arojaga. Most of this condition, according to Charaka, he says the mouth or the vaktra, that will be normal in nature, but still there will be presence of dislike towards food. So that is one more point which has been added by Charaka. So Charaka says about Manopigata Jarojaka, Arojake, Shokha, Bayani, Loba, Krodadhe, हृदयाशनगन्धजे स्यात् स्वाभाविकं वक्र matharujicha, which means a person's mind is afflicted with these kind of factors like shoka, bhaya, lobha, krodha, disgusting type of food, or witnessing or seeing certain kind of dirty food items or dirty things or dirty visuals, whatever it may be, or disgusting type of smell, disgusting type of visuals, which will be making the person's mind little bit upset, along with little bit there will be chance of alteration with respect to taste perception also. The person cannot relish or cannot appreciate the real taste of the food. That will be the meaning behind Manopikataja Arojaka. But in this case, he also says Swabhavigam Vakra Mata Arujischa. In this case, there will not be any problem. There will not be any abnormality to the mouth of the patient. The mouth will be always normal. Still, the patient cannot relish the exact taste of food. These are the features denoted for Manoopikataja Aroja. Here we will finish the topic Arojaga.